as you can see, we are already here at our hotel and it's raining here at
Pokhara. As you can see, here is my bike resting after a whole day long ride. Let me go upstairs and show you a bit of our hotel. Above me there is a parachute hanging, and in this hotel all rooms are tent rooms. As you can see, behind me these are all tents as a room. I will show you our tent as well. This is our tent, and here is our brother doing something with his mobile phone. Let me go inside. These two are our bed, and inside there is a restroom. Look at me, how do I look like after a whole day long ride? My eyes are a bit black because of the dust on the road, and inside there is a restroom. Good. I'm having a refreshing tea to make myself refreshed.
बच्चा हुँदा गएको
पनि अर्को एउटा माथि एउटा
घोरेका कि
डिस्नील्यान्ड कि होटेलको नाम डिस्नील्यान्ड क्यामेरामा
Guys, we parked our bike over there and we're here at Crazy Gecko. You can see we have a towel on my back. I'm यसो ठाउँ कतै छ कि बस्ने हेरौँ. भोलि यही दिनु हामीलाई भनेर अनि त्यहाँ जानु पर्ला है. हामी ट्रेकिङ स्टिक नकिन्ने, हामीलाई त्यही छाता दिनुस्. Real life that one.
Very sweet, sir. Very sweet, sir.
Oh, Disneyland. Disneyland too. Can you? Aja?
Boleh sir, kau itu?
Regan lah. Boleh ada cari ek, merah ni am. Out of apa?
Right side.
Oh, right side.
बाइक राइड त अन्त बाहिर बाहिर त गाडी
Now we have arrived here at Pokhara Disneyland, and as you can see one statue over there, and I'm wearing a helmet because I'm getting some protection from the water.
भर्खरै यो गीत दिमागमा सोचिरहेको छ के अघि बजिरहेको थियो यो गीत अघि बजिरहेको
अघि नै बजिरहेको थियो
त्यसैले म किन यो गीत किन सोचिरहेको छु
त्यही त ढले
मेरो दिमागमा ढल्ले भइहाल्यो
गाडी लौ यहाँ गाडी नै हटायो यता रहेछ
Disney characters.
Now I'm gonna get a driving license and drive a car. So guys, we got the permit to drive a car on a track, which is very good. Yellow is my favorite color, so let's get here. I got so much of sweat on my forehead. Actually, we were here to give a license trial, but we got rejected because we didn't even put on the seatbelt. Oh, we didn't get the license. We got rejected. Bad. It was really fun. We just arrived here at the hotel after a short detour with our motorbike. Now we're gonna again go for the tour with 11 number vehicle. We are going to swim in Beni. We are going to jump. We are
practicing.
ल हामी आइसक्यौँ है
त्यतिकै आउनु मिल्छ
हजुर खै आइरहेछौँ हामी हेर्नु न यहाँ
आएर बसेर चलाउन थाल्यो
ढुङ्गा डुबिसक्यो त्यहाँ ढुङ्गा
हामी जाँदा जाँदा
ढुङ्गा ल यो त साँच्चीकै डुबिसक्यो के हो यो ल
यो
युजलेस
युज गरेर छैन
उही बत्ती खतरा आयो त खतरा ठाउँमा आयो नि त हामी त अनुहार चाहिँ हाम्रो केही पनि देख्दैन यहाँ आयो है राम्रो चाहिँ राम्रो आइरहेको छ यहाँ
लेक
We are on Eva Lake. No, we are not gonna die. हामी धेरै 5,000 तिर पुग्नु छ. We will not die, but we will surely survive. So we are right now walking on the street of Hollandchok. It's known as Hollandchok, and you will get some foods here like fishes, chicken items, pork, muttons.
We'll be back here after some moments. At first we need to buy some warm clothes.
Guys, we brought some jacket now. We'll look for some muffler. कसरी चिनाउनु आम्मा सिकी नजर नलाग्यो भने क्युट देख्दो रहेछ तर त्यही त गाइस we gonna take this hijab for us hijab त हेर्दा यो अब हेर्नु न कलरफुल hijab We're trying to find a shop of one guy, but we're not getting it. Just like our map and the location of the Tilicho Lake. No, we are not finding the store. Same as how we were searching on the Google Map, YouTube. प्राइसहरु अनि यो कसरी के हो भन्ने जस्तो भन्दिन न
यो चाहिँ प्राउन फ्राई हो बिको
हजुर
यसको चाहिँ 430
हजुर कति हो
कति पिस हो
5 पिस
4 पिस अनि अरु
अनि फिस फ्राई हो यो चाहिँ 330 त्यो पनि त्यही हो 330 फिस फ्राई सब प्राउन फ्राई सब एउटै प्राउन फ्राईको सब बिग र स्मलहरुको एउटै हो प्राइस 430 हो फिस फ्राईको नि सबको 330
मलाई टोक्देला नि फेरि भन्दै हेर्नु त तपाईँलाई हेरेँ मैले लजाइरहेको छ अहिले मसँग रिस उठिरहेको थियो कहाँ जाने
छाता तिमीले यो बोकिरहेको थियो नि त अनि अघि तिमीले यो बोकिरहेको थियो मैले छाता बोकिरहेको थिएँ याद आयो छाता भनेर